Today I want to talk eyeliner. If you can't get your eyeliner right, all you need is some black eyeshadow. And when you take your eyeshadow, take it on a brush like this, then go here at the end and start lifting up like that. So let's do it on both sides. Start lifting up like that. Then take on a brush that's fluffy, and if you don't want too much black onto your face, and if you're not a person who knows how to blend well, just start blending outward, and then you go back in with the foundation brush that you was currently using and just neaten everything up. So you can drag your eyeliner in, you can drag it out. It's purely your choice. Work with it and see how it actually looks. I think you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it more than the normal liquid liner, because I feel that it just leaves like a whole type of a harsh line on your face. It's a beautiful harsh line, but maybe try with the eyeshadow first and then work your way to the liquid liner itself.